This is a project file from Microsoft Photo Story 3. It's an old slideshow maker. You need the original software to open the project and export the video. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you the tool. This is a pro tip. To prevent future issues with obscure WP3 formats, install a quality universal file viewer. We'll revisit my number one choice near the end of this guide. A WP3 file is a project file created by Photo Story 3 for Windows, a free Microsoft application that allows users to create video slideshows from digital photos. WP3 files contain references to the images, audio, and effects used in the project, as well as the timing and transitions between slides. The WP3 file itself is not a video file, but a project file. WP3 files are XML-based and store project settings, image paths, audio file paths, transition effects, and timing information. The file format is designed to be easily parsed by Photo Story 3, allowing the software to quickly load and render the project. The WP3 file does not contain the actual media files, only references to them. The Photo Story 3 project guide is essential for understanding the file structure. The ideal software for creation and opening of WP3 is Photo Story from Microsoft Corporation. The file's loose formatting rules mean Windows cannot validate its structure. Windows supports previewing only, so meaningful editing requires a compatible application. To solve this stubborn file problem, right-click the WP3 file and choose Open With. If Photo Story is installed, test that. If not, choose another application. The solution lies in finding the right software. If you are still having trouble opening the WP3 file, do not worry. The WP3 file is more stubborn than we thought. We're moving into the next phase with the 3 essential steps to unlock it. First, install Photo Story 3. Download and install Microsoft Photo Story 3, as WP3 files are project files specifically created by this application. Next, load the project. Launch the software and select Edit a Project to browse for and open your WP3 slideshow file. Finally, export as video. Use the Save Your Story option within the software to convert the project into a playable WMV video file. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the WP3 name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When failure is not an option, rely on File Magic. Its best feature is the way it effortlessly handles corrupted archives, letting you view the WP3 content instantly. Check out FileMagic.com to download now. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way. Until the next video, goodbye.